for every business. BPR involves changing business processes in an innovative way. IT plays a major role in BPR. Internet and intranet help an organization in changing its business processes to reduce cycle time and time to market a product. IT makes information available to employees with different level of access. As a result, employees can be given more independence to make decisions. The ERP, a strategic tool, heavily uses IT to integrate business processes of an organization. Objectives. After reading this unit, you should be able to define information technology and state the advancement of IT. Identify the different types of information systems. Contextualize a business perspective of IT. Describe the significance of Internet and its business applications. Describe and understand the wide coverage of electronic commerce and explain the role of computer-aided decision system in business and other sectors and services. Definitions of IT. Let us understand what information is. Information is the finished product for which data is the raw material. The dictionary defines information as processed data, which is used to trigger certain actions or gain understanding of what the data implies. Information has also been defined as data that have been put into a meaningful and useful context and communicated to a recipient who uses it to make decisions. Information involves the communication and reception of intelligence or knowledge. It apprises and notifies, surprises and stimulates, reduces uncertainty, reveals additional alternatives, or helps eliminate irrelevant or poor ones, and influences individuals and stimulates them to action. The information must be received by the recipient within the required time frame, and the information must be free from errors. The technology plays an important role in delivering timely and error-free information to its recipients. Technology includes hardware, software, databases, and communication system. Hardware is a set of devices such as processor, monitors, keyboard, and printer that accept data, process them, and display them. Software is a set of programs that enable the hardware to process data. Database is also an integral part of IT system, which is a collection of related files, tables, relation, etc. that stores data and the association among them. Network connects computing resources of an organization and facilitates sharing of hardware and software. The organization processes and people are integral part of an IT system. Now we know what information is and what technology is. With this, we are ready for a definition of IT. Information technology means the collection, storage, processing, dissemination, and use of information. It is not confined to hardware and software, but acknowledges the importance of person and the goals he or she sets for his or her technology, the values employed in making these choices, the assessment criteria used to decide whether he or she is controlling the technology and is being enriched by it. Initially, the Information Technology Serving Society, USA, gave the above definition way back in 1979. It has been further generalized with wide coverage. The above definition clearly states that IT is an important tool which must be used properly. At one time, 60% people used to work in agriculture. Nowadays, in a developed country such as US, more than 91% households have computers and internet connection. In India, this figure is about 54%. Thus, only 540 people out of every 1,000 have access to computers. However, India is making steady progress because of IT use in almost every field. As far as history of computing is concerned, people tried to invent a computing machine as early as 800 BC. Abacus is one of the oldest computing devices that are still in use. Every child in China learns to use abacus in school. Our ancestors had built various other mechanical machines using gears. All these efforts laid foundation for better computing machines. The diode tubes, transistors, integrated circuits, ICs, and now very large integrated circuits, VLSI, are the electromechanical devices that have been invented over a period of time. The technology has improved since World War II many folds. The improved technology has been the key factor in making better computing devices. Along with improvement in computing technology, the communication technology has also improved in parallel. The software also improved and became user-friendly. The spreadsheets, the word processing packages, database packages, simulation and automation software packages, and decision support system made IT popular among managers as well. The term information system, IS, and information technology, IT, are used synonymously. IS has evolved considerably since 1960. Types of information system. There are various types of information systems as listed below. Transaction Processing System, TPS. A TPS is used primarily for record keeping, which is required in any organization to conduct the business. Examples of TPS are sales order entry, payroll, and shipping records, etc. TPS is used for periodic report generation in a scheduled manner. TPS is also used for producing reports on demand as well as exception reports. Decision Support System, DSS. DSS serves the management of an organization. A decision support system has sophisticated data analysis tools which support and assist all aspects of problem-specific decision-making. DSS may use data from external sources such as current stock prices to enhance decision-making. DSS is used when the problem is complex and the information needed to make the best decision is difficult to obtain and use. DSS is developed with the help of decision makers. DSS helps in decision-making process and does not make any decision. Executive Information System, EIS. An executive information system is also called Executive Support System. Senior managers of an organization use the EIS. Therefore, it must be easy to use so that executives can use it without any assistance. EIS can do trend analysis, exception reporting, and have drill-down capabilities. The results are usually presented in a graphical form tailored to The results are usually presented in a graphical form tailored to executives' information needs. EIS has online analysis tools, and they access a broad range of internal and external data. Management Information System (MIS). MIS provides the management routine summary of basic operations of the organization. The basic operations are recorded by the TPS of the organization, and MIS consolidates the data on sales, production, etc. MIS provides routine information to managers and decision makers. The main objective behind installing an MIS in the organization is to increase operational efficiency. MIS may support marketing, production, finance, etc. Workflow system. A workflow system is a rule-based management system that directs, coordinates, and monitors execution of an interrelated set of tasks arranged to form a business process. A workflow system is also known as a document image management system. For example, a workflow system is used by banks for loan sanction process. An applicant fills out an electronic application form for a bank loan at a bank's website. The application is then uploaded to the bank loans officer's site. The loan officer conducts an interview and fills in his feedback and passes the application form to the credit check unit. The credit unit checks the credit limit and fills in the details. The application is now complete and a final decision is made. There are 3 types of workflow software. Administrative workflow system focus on the tracking of expense reports, travel requests, messages. An ad hoc workflow system deals with the shaping of product, sales proposals, and strategic plans. Production workflow systems are concerned with mortgage loans and insurance claims. A workflow system may be internet-based and may be combined with email. A workflow system may be based on client or server architecture that may use a database or file server. Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP). ERP system is a set of integrated programs capable of managing a company's vital business operations for an entire multi-site global organization. This facilitates organizations to share and integrate data for consistent flow of information over the organization's network and also using the internet as the organization may decide. Expert systems. The system has the ability to make suggestions and act like an expert in a particular field. An expert system has an extensive knowledge base. Nowadays, such systems are in use for automating business processes to great extent. It is envisaged that expert systems will be in high demand further in future. Business perspective of it. The impact of IT on a business has been tremendous. One of the advantages of IT systems for a business is the cost-performance ratio, which is better in case of computers. The labor cost increases every year, but the cost of computer does not increase. A better and more powerful computer can be bought for the same price after a year. It is better to use computers for routine jobs as far as possible. The IT has been used in every business and for every function of a business. Some of the applications are as follows. Finance and accounting. IT has been used for forecasting revenues, determining the best sources and uses of funds, and managing cash and other financial resources. IT has also been used to analyze investments and perform audits. Sales and marketing. IT has been used to develop new services which may not exist without IT. IT has helped management of various organizations to determine the best location for production and distribution facilities. The operational data has been analyzed using IT to determine the best advertising and sales approaches. The product prices have been set using IT to get the highest total revenues. In other words, IT has been used for product analysis and price analysis. Manufacturing. IT has been extensively used for processing customer orders, controlling inventory levels, developing production schedules, and for monitoring product quality. A whole new discipline, computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing, has evolved due to application of IT to design and manufacturing. The manufacturing is not what is used to be due to the use of computers. Computer Integrated Manufacturing, CIM, dominates the manufacturing sector. Use of robots is increasing not only in manufacturing plants but also in other sectors such as healthcare, laboratories, defense sector, etc. Human resource management. Companies are using IT systems for screening applicants and conducting various tests. Project management. A range of software packages are available in the market for managing projects. These software products let the management set the schedules, milestones, facilitate communication among group members, and monitor the project progress. These products help in document and report preparation. Data analysis. Investment firms heavily use information systems to analyze stocks, bonds, and options to provide better service to their clients. With the internet connectivity, this application is high in demand even by other firms dealing with large data.
We were listening to the audiobook by the School of Management Studies IGNOU for MBA program, course code Mmpc 008, Information Systems for Managers. Course Coordinator, Professor Anurag Saxena, School of Management Studies IGNOU. Voiceover by Renuka. Edited by Ruchi Sharma. Program assisted by Jagbandhu Jana. Program produced by Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh. This program was brought to you by Electronic Media Production Center of Indira Gandhi National Open University.